Hello, engineering fanboys. So we're talking about Castiglianos Method, which is a method used in deformation analysis. What is deformation analysis? It means that when a material goes through stresses, tensile stresses, which means that one stress is going up, another one's going down, like a tension, tensile, up, down, tensile, or compressive stresses, that means that they're crushed against each other. What will happen to the material going through compressive or tensile stresses? There will be deformations. There is energy dissipation. The material undergoes a change. Sometimes it's a permanent change, which is called permanent deformation. Using the stress strain curve. Other times, it has linear transformation. Using the stress strain curve, the E, which is the Young's modulus, which is capital E, means that at a certain amount of pascals, which is newtons per meter squared, this is an engineering channel, so we're keeping it a little bit technical. This is not always just, let's just have some fun and blah, 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 I'm not just going to talk about girls in this channel or working out or anything like this. We're going to talk about engineering. So that is what engineering is about. Mechanical engineering is mainly about material science and what does that material happens to that material undergoing different deformations, tensile or compressive stresses, loads, applied loads, cyclic loads, things like that. So very cool, Castiglianos method. Look at what I'm looking at. See, employing Castiglianos theorem. I just find this incredible. How do these engineers back then without Google, right? How did they solve these problems without Google? Now I can just ask Google AI, what is Castiglianos method? What is Castiglianos theorem? I read it, or I go to a library and I take out a textbook on engineering and I learn, But these are the true geniuses of our times. We could not have figured this out without the former ones, So shout out to you, Castigliano, Italian physicist. Thanks to Castigliano, we are able to determine the behavior, elastic and inelastic deformations of plastics and metals and other materials using the stress strain curve. So very cool. Thank you. So that was just a shout out to the Castiglianos theorem, the Castiglianos method. Look it up. Tigliano. Apostrophe S, Castiglianos. That is a hard word to spell. I took a second to spell that. But we have to learn how to spell too as engineers. We have to learn how to spell. We're not just mathematical people. We also need how to speak, write, and spell. That is the one annoying thing that I can't stand about other engineers. They can't speak properly. I don't want to sound racist, but a lot of engineers don't know how to talk well. So if you can talk well, to me, that's a plus. Anyways, have a nice day. I was just trying to keep this more of an engineering channel. So I was just talking about Uh, Stress strain curve, Castiglianos Method, material science. Cool stuff. Have a nice one.